In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil maintenance indicator on a 2021 Mazda 6. They don't make this process very easy. This will also work for many other Mazda vehicles around the same year and model. First thing you're going to do is you're going to use the little wheel down here to navigate through the screen up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the wheel to the left, and we're going to go over to Applications. I'm going to click down on the wheel. You're going to go to Vehicle Status Monitor. You're going to then click down on that. And then you're going to go to Maintenance and click down on that. Once you get there, there's going to be one that says Oil Change. You're going to go to the Oil Change. Click down on that. And then you're going to go down to Reset. Once you hit Reset, it's going to say, are you sure? We are sure that we just changed the oil and we want to reset the indicator. And now it has been reset back up to 7,500. You can change that setting. If you ended up thinking this video was helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. It really helps. And thanks for watching.